Gondor ice block machine. Size and shape can be customized. Pour in freezing liquid. Precise quantity control is more efficient. Put in mold rack. Stable load bearing and anti-tilting. Place the molds into the rack. Uniform cooling without dead corners. Start the machine. Put the lid on and wait for about 4 hours. Take out the mold. Soak it in water for 1 minute. Pour out the ice cubes. Easy demolding without effort. The ice is intact without any residue. Precisely control the weight of ice bricks. Widely used. Client gallery. What our customers say.
And get all the juice out of it.